Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech Expo. So today I'm going to review this dual band wireless adapter that's uh, that's used to increase the internet browsing speed for computers which do not have a good Wi-Fi card or LAN card. So this USB adapter is from the company Comfast, and it supports speeds up to 1300 Mbps. It's a high-speed USB adapter that supports dual band. It's a USB 3.0, and it says that it provides strong signal. So that's what we're going to test. Well, it's a made in China product, and yeah, it supports IEEE 802.11 till AC. So it seems to be good, and because it has dual band support and also supports USB 3.0 interface. So let's see how it is. I'm just going to unpack this. Let us see what it has inside. So we have this Comfast CD, which is, in case if your computer is very old, you can use this CD to adapt to install the driver, but I don't think we are not going to need this. And here we have a very small Comfast USB adapter. It's almost maybe 1.5 to approximately 2 inches, not even 2 inches in size. So it's very compact and small, and the quality seems to be good. So let us see how it functions and how is the improvement it provides. So to test the performance of the Comfast wireless USB adapter, I'm going to do an experiment in which I'll be testing the internet speed once by using the internal Wi-Fi adapter, and secondly by using the Comfast adapter. So I have plugged in the Comfast adapter to my laptop, and I'm going to see which one is currently active, and based on which I'm going to do the test. So let me go to the network and sharing center. So here you see the Asus inbuilt, which is the Realtek 8821CE, is currently active, and we'll see how much is the rate that we are getting here. So you see this is the CE 8821CE wireless adapter that's inbuilt. It supports 5 gigahertz. Number of network channels are 52, and the link speed for receive and transmit is 97 Mbps for both uplink and downlink. So let us see what is the internet speed that we get here. So I'm going to do the internet speed test, and let us see how much we get. I'm going to repeat it thrice so we can see how much is the average we are getting. So here we got the download speed as 11 Mbps. Let us see how much we get the upload speed. So yeah, it's 11 download and approximately 7 upload. So it is average or sufficient, that you can say, but we are going to test it again. So here it's increasing. We'll get, I think, approximately 13. Yeah, so 13 and 11 that we got as download speed 2 times. It's important for most of us, the download speed. So here now it comes fast. So 11, 13 as the download speed. I'm going to test it again to get the average. I think it will come around 12, I believe. Yeah, or 10. It is approximately 11. So we have got 11, 13, and again 11 as the download speed. So it comes out to about approximately 11.5 Mbps as the download speed. And upload speed is again maybe approximately 4 to 5 Mbps. So let us see what's the effect of uh, the Comfast adapter that we have. So I'm going to disable this inbuilt. I'm going to just enable Comfast. It's going to detect it. Okay, so let us see which one is the internet connection that we have here. So yes, so this is BU is the Comfast. So it has 5 gigahertz, 52 network channels, and you see from 65 we have reached 520. So this is great. Also the signal strength has improved. So let us see what's the effect of on the internet speed. I'm going to close this. I'm going to also clear the cache history, clear browsing data, clear data. Okay, so let us see what we get. Internet speed test. Okay, let's see. Oh wow, this is tremendous increase in the speed. It's extremely good. Now here we see we are getting 48 Mbps as download speed. Again, we are going to repeat this thrice to get the average download speed. 48, 14. Again, we do this. It's getting even faster. So let us see. 45, approximately 46. Wow. So we had 44 and now 46. Wow. 9. We test this again. Oh wow, it's great. So 41. We got 44, 45, and 41. So approximately we getting 40, 43, 44 as the download speed. So yeah, so this was a short test to test experiment to test the capability of Comfast wireless USB adapter. I highly recommend this Comfast USB wireless adapter in case if you are facing issues with the slow internet speed due to your slow internet card which is not supporting high speed internet. You can buy this Comfast and it will definitely improve the download speed. Thank you. So as you can see here, I'm using the Comfast wireless USB adapter with a USB to Type-C adapter here with my Asus VivoBook, but you can use it in a normal way as well, like connecting it to a 3.2 USB socket. So that will give you the best performance. I hope you liked what I have shown you and it's going to help you improve your internet speed. In case if you want to see more such reviews of gadgets which help you in your day-to-day life and improve your technology knowledge and experience of using this device, please subscribe to my channel Tech Expo. Thank you.